Tim Ratledge, IzotopeRX, Reaper, Mac OS. Hi, my name is Tim Ratledge, and I've been helping voice talent clean up and fix their audio since 2019. I specialize in cleaning up long form and short form narration and audiobooks. My background is in radio broadcasting as a commercial producer for almost 20 years in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. My primary expertise is with the Reaper DAW and IzotopeRX for both Mac and Windows. I joined the George the Tech team because in this industry and in the voiceover industry, there's no one who has the highest caliber of knowledge that I've ever met than George Whittam. And to be on his team is an absolute honor because not only do I get to help the same caliber of clients that come to George, but I get to learn from George as well. I keep a pretty busy schedule, but you can book my services through the website now at georgethe.tech. We're George the Tech, performer-friendly techs.